Welcome guys. This looks corny as fuck. Alright, so we got this LS1. We're gonna start disassembling this, clean it out, and get it ready so we can go put in forged pistons. Alright, it's recording. Alright, let's do it. Take off the heads. Alright, try to loosen it. Alright guys, so now we got the cylinder heads off, we got the lifters out, and the rocket arm. There's some of the lifters there, some of the lifters are there. I'm just moving them more over, making them nice. We got all of our bolts, screws, washers, nuts, everything. We got the timing chain for the main, the crankshaft pulley. We got the timing cover. But when I opened this shit, guess what? There was no timing chain. So I guess it's easier on us, but I'm just surprised there wasn't any. So that means we're gonna have to go buy new ones. Now, what we gotta do is pull out this camshaft, and I think we should be sweet. Once that's done, I forgot to drain the oil pan. So we gotta drain the oil, flip it over, take the oil pan off, go take out the pistons. So, yeah, get this crank. Is it good in there? Very good. Yeah! Holy shit! No, flip me up. Yo, let me see it. Flip me up.
On back to real, on that E-way through the G. Come through smashing down that P, and a strike again.
Camshaft out. Be ready to go. Remove the oil, drain all the oil, take the oil pan off, take the pistons out.
Set.
At the garage. Go, we already got the oil pan out. Now we're gonna get this whole bottom in so we can access our crankshaft to take out our pistons. Good. Go. You stop it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this section. I love this. Look at this section right here. Woo! Alright guys, so you can see now. Oh my god. We got our oil pan out. Now we have access to our pistons. Here's 1, 2, right here.
God, now I can actually
3,
see the cross plane. I've never
4,
seen a crankshaft.
5, 6, you get it. 2 in each side. And let's go get the shit out. Pull out the pistons, like how I pulled out of your mom. So, alright, so now I got the bolts out from here, all of these, and I got it out on this side. So now, these should just pop up, I think, without freaking issue, yo. Damn, it's gonna be tight.
I see it wiggling.
So basically, this is the end of the video. I couldn't record the ending where I took out the crankshaft and the rest of the internals, the bearings, because my phone died, and my boy Will, his phone died too. Also, since we're at it, go check out Will's channel. He's about to start his own channel, so let's get that shit rolling. Thank you guys for watching. We got more episodes coming, whatever episode videos, bullshit, you know what I mean. But so the next thing we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be degreasing and painting the engine, and the third thing is gonna be when we're gonna rebuild it with forged internals, including forged pistons, forged rods to get the camshaft, everything, so the bottom end is built. After that, we're gonna have another video where we go just build the heads, just the heads itself, new valves, new lifters, all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out.